What's up guys? So finally, after waiting for an eternity, biker players got their first purple renegade and I'm so happy about this. If you remember, I uploaded a video few months ago or a year ago where I predicted that biker renegades are going to be the last purple renegade that we are going to get. As in beginning we got 2 vehicle renegades, then we got 2 shooter renegades, and then we got 2 bulker renegades. We all know that this was coming. Now we are going to get 2 biker renegades. This is the first one. His name is Crazy Tornado and I'm going to give spoilers about this renegade. This renegade final skill is going to be the strongest purple renegade skill. I'm only comparing this renegade skill with purple one. Out of all purple renegades, I think its final skill is the strongest skill. No renegade skill can beat this one. There's a very good reason for that. We are going to talk about this as we continue discussing about this renegade. So this renegade is based on strength attributes. So I'm assuming that you can use Croc and Logan as your supportive renegade for this one, as all of them are going to be strength 1. I'm not really sure about this. We will see when this renegade guide comes. For now, there's no guide for this renegade. Now, the next thing is that this renegade is going to utilize riders, basically male bikers. This is also a very good news as majority of the players like to use male bikers in their march. So all in all good for now. Now, let's talk about his skills. His first skill is basically the same general first skill that all purple renegades are getting. 1 general damage to 2 random enemy crew member classes. Basic skill, I don't even think I need to talk about this. Now let's read his second skill. Randomly select 2 biker crew member classes of your and increase their charge probability by 60 and increase their attack and damage by 30%. Now here's the confusion guys. They write increase their charge probability by 60. It's not 60%. So hopefully I'm thinking that this is some typing error from their part. It should be 60%, but if it's 60 then it's very confusing. Now the second part of the skill, increase their attack and damage by 30%, and this part is upgradable. So in the next level it's going to be 35%. So basically this renegade is also going to make your bikers in your march a lot stronger than they are, and this is a good news. Now if you think this skill is good, now let's talk about his final skill. As I mentioned before, his final skill is going to be the strongest purple renegade skill of all time. Now let's read. Deal 1 high general damage to 2 random enemy crew member classes. Damage bonus start from 150%. So it's not some normal general damage, it's going to be high general damage, and the damage bonus is going to start from 150%. So this is the first purple renegade skill where the damage is starting from 150% at level 1. Basically in the past, all the renegades damage start from 75%. So it's awesome guys. It's awesome. It's not even normal damage. It's high general damage. So I'm assuming that this skill is going to do a lot of damage on the enemy crew member classes. Also, on the plus side, this renegade is also going to make your own biker classes even stronger. So I don't think this renegade is lacking anything. This renegade got all, especially for a purple renegade. You're going to get this for free, and I'm assuming that you are going to get a lot of kills. You're going to make your biker even stronger. Overall, the first impression, I'm going to say that this renegade is going to be awesome. I wish we shooter players got something like that, but it's okay. Biker players waited the longest, so I think they deserve the best, and the game or the GM is giving you the best purple renegade. Let me know what you think about this new purple biker renegade in the comment section. And that's about it guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.